In today's video, I'll walk you through 40 of the best channel ideas, complete with real examples and recommendations. This video will be in 2 parts. Now with the first part, let's dive right in. First up is the environmental tech niche. With global warming and net zero initiatives on everyone's minds, people are eager for good news about new technologies that can address these issues. Tech channels that focus on environmental projects tend to perform well, as audiences share this uplifting content, helping it go viral. For instance, channels like Undecided with Matt Farrell discuss innovative technology projects, weighing their pros and cons. While Matt does show his face, a faceless automation channel could easily thrive in this space. His channel boasts over 1.2 million subscribers and more than 3 million monthly views, all from just 260 videos. Next, we have the science and explanation niche. Some of the largest no-face channels, such as In Search of or In a Nutshell, don't ask me to pronounce the Dutch or German names, have been breaking down complex ideas with high-quality animated content for years, covering topics from philosophy to black holes. In a Nutshell currently boasts over 20 million subscribers and nearly 24 million monthly views, a milestone I hope to achieve one day. Then we have storytelling, which spans everything from scary tales to fictional narratives and Reddit stories. Channels like Mr. Nightmare have over 6.2 million subscribers and pull in 11 million monthly views from just 310 videos. Moving on to the history niche, this is a great evergreen area that feels underexplored. People will always seek out history videos, ensuring a steady income potential for years to come. Channels like Simple History and Weird History, each with over 4 million subscribers, demonstrate the high demand and endless possibilities, covering everything from Hitler to fashion. Before we proceed, if you're interested in more detailed guidance on building profitable faceless channels and selecting the right niche, I'll include links in the video description for step-by-step, beginner-friendly training after this video. Finally, we have life hacks. Who doesn't enjoy a good life hack video? I certainly do, and channels like Mr. Hack, with over 3.3 million subscribers, prove I'm not alone. While production may be slightly more complex, these videos can remain faceless and don't require audio, making them universally accessible in any language. Next, we have the finance and business niche, which everyone loves due to its high CPMs. This area is highly competitive, so the quality of your videos must be top-notch. However, when executed well, your channel can generate significant income. For example, Tape Magnets Media has grown to nearly 1 million subscribers this year, accumulating around 3.5 million monthly views. They produce high-quality mini-documentary-style videos, allowing them to upload just once a week. This type of content isn't something AI tools can easily create, but if you have the budget, it's a fantastic option. Finally, number 10 is weight loss, which is a consistently safe bet for many reasons and offers various monetization opportunities. Body Hub is a prime example of a faceless channel that continues to thrive, boasting over 1.2 million subscribers and nearly 4 million monthly views. The fitness niche is similar but emphasizes workouts. Roberta's Gym serves as an excellent example of a fitness brand that has harnessed the power of YouTube, with over 5 million subscribers and nearly 15 million monthly views. This indicates that viewers keep returning to the channel, which features workout videos generated from their app. I would wager that they are currently earning more from this channel than from their app's paying customers. 9. Natural health remedies. Continuing with the health theme, natural health remedies are a popular topic. Many of us have come across videos recommending daily foods or drinks that are beneficial for our health. A great example is the channel Bestie, which has over 4.5 million subscribers and millions of monthly views. They have perfected the art of creating viral health videos. 10. Drones. Drones might not be the first niche that comes to mind unless you're interested in them, but it's a rapidly growing area. The challenge lies in finding the right approach if you want to keep your content faceless. Options could include drone footage or drone reviews. 11. Simplifying complex concepts. One niche I particularly enjoy is the Made Simple or Things Explained category, where complicated subjects are broken down into easy-to-understand terms. Think of the For Dummies book series. There is definitely a demand for this. Oversimplified is an excellent example of an animated channel in this space, boasting over 7.5 million subscribers and 14 million monthly views by simplifying historical events and wars. This approach can be applied to many different areas of life. 12. Food recipes. Everyone needs recipe ideas, and while it can be tricky to create cooking content without filming the process, some channels successfully use stock footage to get the job done. 13. Travel niche. The travel niche is beloved by many, and when executed well, it can be quite profitable. A great example is Curopia, which has nearly 1.2 million subscribers and 3.5 million monthly views. 14. Economic news. With the US-China trade war and a struggling post-COVID global economy, economic channels are thriving right now. However, like other news channels, the content is often tied to trending topics rather than evergreen content. To maintain viewership, regular updates are necessary. 15. Cryptocurrency. Despite the current dip in the crypto market, it remains a strong option for faceless channels. Whiteboard Crypto, for instance, reached nearly 1 million subscribers in just over a year and a half. Although they aren't posting new content anymore, they still attract hundreds of thousands of high CPM views each month. 16. Tech reviews. While not my personal favorite or recommended for beginners, tech reviews, especially of unusual or innovative gadgets, can perform well and typically have high CPM rates. 17. Motivation and quotes. When creating motivational content and quotes, it's crucial to avoid using others' voices without permission. Don't forget to support by subscribing to the channel and liking the video, and stay tuned for part 2.